but her mind ain't yet. Yeah, her body full developed, but her mind ain't yet. Every day I self-medicate, hoping it resonate. But hopefully I still be around when the weather break. My spaceship is here to take me to a better place, where they got the best soul food that I ever ate. They mandate the vaccine so we can get sterilized. Way before the vaccine, you niggas was paralyzed. Fear no man, all I know is the fear of God. Sometimes I think he put me here just to terrorize. Clarify anything concerning my background. Popping on the ground, you don't know how to act now. Cross me,